Over 6,000 people attended Africa's Infrastructural Awakening that took place this year at the African Construction and Totally Concrete Expo in its 4th edition. The 4th annual African Construction and Totally Concrete Expo was a huge success, welcoming participants from over 40 countries worldwide. In particular, this event fosters collaboration between the public and private sectors, as we hosted the city of Johannesburg, for example, and many international companies who are looking at upping their industry in Africa.
Infrastructure spend is not an event, it's an ongoing process. And that all comes with good planning. It needs to be long-term planning. We need to foresee the future before it arrives. And hopefully the South African government and the African governments will see this and spend the money wisely to the benefit of everybody.
It's interesting where the energy of the discussion is, and it's clearly centered around government and its role in delivery, which I think is accurate, and the government needs to lead in terms of being able to deliver infrastructure. That's very important, and I think the role business has to play is we need to get closer to government, and there is certainly, I think, a divide between business and government, and it comes down to trust. We need to interact more, we need to understand more, we need to assist more in being able to deliver infrastructure. And by the same token, we need more transparency in the whole system. Transparency leads to questions, questions lead to efficiency. So there's a whole lot that...
In particular, we'd like to thank our speakers that headlined at the African Construction and Totally Concrete Expo this year. Some of our featured speakers included Joe Odhiambo, the CEO of Agreement South Africa, Thierry Bogart, an architect from France, and Gerhard Breitskaft, the president of DIBT in Germany.